Meaning of hypercorrection.
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 Hypercorrection. Hypercorrection is a linguistic term that refers to the overuse or misapplication of language rules, often in an attempt to appear more educated or refined. This can lead to errors in language usage, such as using whom instead of who inappropriately or overusing unusual words or phrases. The result of hypercorrection is often language that sounds stilted or awkward and can even lead to confusion or misunderstanding. To avoid hypercorrection, it's important to have a solid understanding of language rules and to use them appropriately in context.